Hey, headbangers and free spirits. Have you ever wanted to carry a little bit of that electric energy of the open road, a touch of that classic jam band freedom, with you every single day? We all know that feeling, that sun-kissed, winding highway where the music never stops. Today, we're bringing that vibe straight to your tech with a product that's a pure expression of music, art, and the road less traveled. Get ready to roll with the Truckin neoprene laptop sleeve, available now at my Zazzle store. Wake up, smell the coffee. Look at this incredible art. It's more than just a picture, it's a whole mood. This image was lovingly created, drawing deep inspiration from one of the most iconic songs in rock history, Truckin' by the Grateful Dead. See the sun blazing over those rolling hills and mountains, the classic pickup cruising down the road, and the band, the family, gathered round, strumming away. It captures the essence of that 1970s freewheeling spirit. The vibrant, swirling colors and psychedelic patterns scream adventure and good times. Every time you pull out your laptop, you're not just carrying a computer, you're taking a piece of that journey with you. It's a conversation starter. It's a statement. It's a little piece of art inspired by a timeless anthem. Lately it occurs to me, what a long, strange trip it's been. Now, let's talk about the gear itself. This sleeve isn't just a canvas for cool art, it's serious protection for your device. We're talking about neoprene. If you know neoprene, you know it's lightweight yet incredibly resilient. This sleeve is designed to be your laptop's best friend for travel or day-to-day use. Protection you can trust. The neoprene material is lightweight and, critically, water-resistant. Coffee spill. Sudden rain shower? This sleeve has your back, helping to keep your precious laptop safe and dry. Easy access. It features a secure, top-loading zippered enclosure, making it easy to grab your device quickly when inspiration strikes or you need to get to work. Form-fitting design. Please note, this is a form-fitting case. It's designed to hug your slim laptop perfectly for maximum security and minimal bulk. 3 sizes for your rig. We've got you covered no matter your device. The Truckin sleeve is available for 10-inch, 13-inch, and 15-inch laptops. Just select the size that fits your style and your machine. It's the perfect blend of high utility function and high-flying style. So, whether you're heading to the office, the library, a coffee shop, or maybe just hitting the road for your own long, strange trip, make sure your tech is protected and looking fantastic. The Truckin neoprene laptop sleeve is available right now, exclusively at my Zazzle store. Wake up, smell the coffee. The link is in the description below. Click on it, choose your size, 10-inch, 13, or 15, and add this piece of road trip art to your collection. This image is available on a variety of different products. It's time to move along. Get the sleeve and keep on truckin'. Thanks for watching. See the link below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great art and unique finds. See you on the road.